Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper on Thursday. No, it's in the yesterday's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 10th, 2021. Because in today's newspaper we have no additional, so I've decided to continue with the yesterday's newspaper. All right. Let me position the camera. Okay. This tectonic will be number 3670. 3670. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one. Of course, it's a 1-star, and for a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Well, no single boxes here in this puzzle. I see a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 1 is already filled in, so this should be the 2. Here we have also a dual box, but I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes, the 1 and the 2, dual box. Triple box. Here we have a triple box. It contains the 1 and the 2 and the 3. This box should be a 3. And remember, if you see a triple box, the inside box here near the middle box should be 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 5 here in this area, so it cannot be a 5. So this box should be a 4. Okay, more triple boxes here. No. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra box? If you see a quadra box in a L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, should be always a 5. Okay. It contains the L shape in this quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, only 1 quadra box. So the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some constructions, some figures. All right. For example, the T shape we have here, it's rotated. The T shape. Let me draw this T shape here. If you see a T shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. It's already filled in. So let me mark those here. But also, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay. The T shape, only 1 we have here. The L shape here with 5 boxes. Yeah. Let me draw this here. Okay. This is the L shape. If you see the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes here? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Here. Okay. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. More of these kind of shapes here. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. And I see here the last shape or figure that you need to recognize. This one. Okay, this one. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. So in this puzzle, we have only 4 figures or shapes that you need to recognize. There are more, but in this puzzle, we have only 4 of them. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. All right, these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, we have another 5 there, so no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Well, let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 5. Yeah. This box cannot be a 1. You have a double 1 here. This box cannot also not be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2. 1 and a 2. So 1 box left in this area for number 5. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 4 and a 5. All right. Then this box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. We have a 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This one is not... well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be 3. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4. The other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 boxes left in this W area shape for the numbers 3 and 2. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 here. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3 and that box should be a 2. Okay. Think. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Okay, 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here because these 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Yeah. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 2. Okay. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 5, those 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and 1. Let me mark those. That means no. Let me wait. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. And this box will be a 3. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 2. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 1 and a 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box will be a 2. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 1. Now it cannot be a 1 here because we have a 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be a 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. And the final 2 numbers in this quadra box for the numbers 2 and the 3. We see a 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, could be a little bit faster, but I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the tectonics, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the quintuplets, for the killer Sudoku. Yes, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Friday. Yes, almost weekend, and we will see if it's increasing the numbers, because tomorrow we will hear if we have a lockdown, partial lockdown, or we don't know. We will see. Until then, bye bye for now.